Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How Logical. In this video, we will be showing you how to log in to your MeetMe account. In order to connect with various people online, you will need to log in to your MeetMe account. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in meetme.com and press enter. This will take you into the MeetMe official website. From the website, you can also sign up if you don't have an account yet by using your Facebook account to sign up or by entering your personal information and clicking on the sign up free button. You can also download the smartphone applications by clicking on Get it for Android or iOS. In order to log in to your existing account, click on Member Login at the top right corner. Then just enter your email address followed by your password. You can also log in from your Facebook account by clicking on Log in with Facebook if your account was created using your Facebook account. Now click on the Login button and you will be logged in to your MeetMe account. You can now start using MeetMe to talk with and meet various people from the internet. If you decide to use MeetMe on your smartphone, then you can use your same login credentials to log in to your application on your smartphone. So that's all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.